Now let's see the definition of a chord, the definition of diameter, and what a perpendicular line from the center of a circle and its importance in the geometry of a circle. So let's see what a chord and the diameter of a circle are. Now, a line segment whose endpoints lie on a circle is called the chord. It's called a chord of the circle. And the diameter of a circle is a chord containing the center of the circle, right? So what you have over here, this line running from A to B, this is the diameter of a circle. So let's say you took other 2 points. Let's say you took this point over here, right? So let's say this is point C and this is point D, right? And if you draw a line connecting these two, you can see that it does not contain the center of the circle, right? Which is this point O over here, right? But if you extend this C down to A and this D down to B, it will contain the center of the circle. So CD, this line CD is a chord, yet the line AB is a chord, but it's also the diameter of the circle, right? Because it contains this point, the center of the circle. Okay, now that that's cleared up, let's see what the perpendicular line from a circle is. Now, it says that the perpendicular dropped from the center of a circle on a chord bisects the chord. Bisection means that separation into two equal lengths or halves. Okay, so what that means is you can see the circle over here, right? If you draw this chord over here that runs from this point A to this point B, and then you look at the center of the circle, which is this point O, if you draw a line that runs from the center to the chord, it bisects the chord. So basically, this part of the line, this half of the line and this half of the line are both equal, right? So let's just take an example on this bigger circle over here. Let's say you have this chord over here. Let's just take this one, CD, right? Now, if you draw a line that goes from the center to the chord, right? And it must be perpendicular to the chord, right? So this is 90 degrees. Then this half and this half are both equal. And just to make it very, very clear to you, because this is very important for later calculations, if you took this chord over here, right, and you took a line perpendicular and took it to the center, right, then this half and this half both are equal. This is bisection.